Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clock widget on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So basically you'll have a clock on your desktop. To get the clock, what you need to do is just go to your search bar. From here, just search for Microsoft Store. Then just open up Microsoft Store. Then just wait for the store to load. And whenever it loads, just go to the search bar and search for clock widget. And after it loads, just go to Widget Launcher. Then you just need to click on install. Then you just need to wait patiently, it will install. And after it has been installed, just click on open. You can minimize Microsoft Store now. Then after Widget Launcher opens, just click on home. Click on close. Click on home. Now from home, you just need to click on digital watch. Now from here, just click on launch widget. And just wait, it is loading, and there you go, you have a widget here. That is a digital clock. You can close this. Now you can change the appearance of it from here. Just click on it. You can change the background color. You can change the border, or you can just change the accent color, whatever you want. And you can also change the transparency from here, and then just click on apply. And that is basically how to add a clock widget on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.